Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wanted so far.
Hello and welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. Today we are showing you how you can do it yourself again. Do it yourself on your BMW. Today we are going down to change oil and oil filter on the big old lady. And puha, we have soon done many things together. First time we changed the oil on the final drive. Then we changed the gearbox oil. Now I have to help this finger here to come up. And today we are going to change the oil on the engine. So let's go in the garage. Vamos! Okay, hello my friends. We are down in the garage. To do this job here you need a torque wrench so you don't destroy anything, an oil filter, and a special tool to take oil filter off and put it in with again. Otherwise it will be a messy and not good job. I think it will be difficult, but that's life. And then you need some good oil, and I have chosen Motul 7150 It lives up to everything. So let's get started. Okay, what we are beginning with here in do-it-yourself video, it is first we have to have the oil fill tapper off, of course, so there can come air down. So when we remove everything, the oil filter and the bottom plug, then everything can run out freely without nothing keep it back. So that is my wife Zakia who do that now, and she is with me in this video also, as you can see, and my daughter Sabrina also. This is a job you easily can do yourself and save a lot of money. It can be a little tricky to get off if you have the same metal tapper as we have here. You need a special tool to get it off with, but it's a good thing to have, so people don't go and just open down to your oil and do many weird things. Use the screwdriver. You use a screwdriver like Zakia did to flip it up. The next thing you have to remove to get the oil out is the bottom plug here. This one has to go out, and after it has to come in again, and you have to use the wrench key with 30. It has to stand on 30. Now let's get it out so we can get the old oil out. So now Zakia, she take it out so we can get new oil in. Wow. And we have first heated the engine up a little bit so we can get all the nasty things out. So we don't mix too much old things with new oil. And here we go. Yeehaw. So this is the bottom plug when we took it out. Normally they have to sit a washer under it, but the last mechanic who had it in sorry, obviously didn't have time or was running out of them. So this one I recommend you always to put a cover washer to close. Very good. They are super. Do what I do. So now we take the oil filter out. It is lying up here, sitting up here. And you have to take it out with the special oil filter key, yeah? Otherwise it can be a little tricky. It's coming. Even with my handicapped hands, I can take it out because it's not sitting so tight. It's a very easy job. Let it run. So now we have the oil out of the motor. Now Zakia, she's going to spray up in the hole with chain cleaner so we can get nasty things away from there if there should sit anything, and then we are ready to close. There's not sitting anything nasty, Saki? No. No? Okay, very good. And then we have to tighten it. And it is 32 with the click key. Always use those tools here so you don't break anything up in your engine. It costs a lot of money. Click. It's okay again. It's okay. Very good. Yes, now Zakia, she take and dip her finger in the new oil and give it a thin layer on the new rubber edge. So when she closes it, then it is 100% tight and secure. remember those keys, guys, for your own safety and for your motorcycle safety. Then nothing can go wrong, not much.
Look. It's coming.
Now this is a click, one time, whoop, then we are finished. So now we have emptied the oil for the old oil and given it new oil filter. Now it's time to fill fresh oil on, so the season is great. And you start with filling 3.5 liter on. And after that, you start the engine and let the oil filter suck it in. And then you refill it slowly so you don't overfill anything. There can be 3 liter 750 milliliter on, but it's not something you just take 3 liter and 750 milliliter and then pull it on. The last you have to be careful with. So it was 3.5 liter. Then let's see how everything looks like after. Okay, my friends, we have filled oil on now and we have let the engine run. And this is how it has to stand when the oil filter and everything have taken the oil it needs. Then it has to stand in the middle, a little more than the middle, not much. Then your BMW is happy, I can tell you. Then the engine is very happy. Okay. Yes, guys and girls, it was do it yourself, then you know what is done, and it's easy. Everybody who have a small garage can do what me and my family have just done. So if I was you, I would do it myself and save a lot of money. You know me, I will soon be back. Ciao, drive safe.
Walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer in the winter.